Very good morning to all of you here. Again, Sergeant Dr. Drishtipal Singh Parihar, Assistant Professor in Sage University in School of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences. So friends, today we have very important topic which deals with UPSC as well as PSC as well as the students of undergraduates, that Indus Valley civilization. So the question is that why we say that this is Indus Valley civilization or the Harappa civilization. So first of all, we must understand this thing that Indus Valley civilization is the first urban civilization of India, because all the cities of Indus Valley civilization is on the bank of Indus River. That's why this civilization is named as Indus Valley civilization. Because I have said earlier that Indus Valley civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization, because the first city of Indus Valley civilization which was excavated, that was Harappa. That's why this civilization was known by the name as Harappa civilization. Uh, if I would talk about the time period of this particular civilization, so because there are too many rumors regarding to the time frame of Indus Valley civilization, but the historians made a consensus that 2500 to 1700 BC was the right date for this particular civilization. If we move to the major cities of Indus Valley civilization, they are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibanga, Lothal, Chandhodro, and Banwali. If we next to the move to the next slide, that in this particular slide, we would find out when these cities were excavated and at present moment where these sites are located and which river on which river these sites were situated, and the person who was responsible for the excavation of particular this site, as well as major findings what would be found when there was excavation on this site. So particular about the Harappa, in year 1921, this site was located in Punjab on the bank of river Ravi. The person who was responsible for excavation of this site was Dayaram Sahani. As I have already mentioned in the table, last table, the major findings, what was founded here on the excavation. But out of these, one major finding was the great granary was found in this particular Harappa site. If we move on to the next slide or next site, Mohenjo-daro, that was excavated in year 1922. The person who was responsible for the excavation was Rakhaldas Banerjee, and this site today is on the bank of river Indus and was located and is located in Pakistan, Sindh. So the basically the major findings here is the Great Bath, uh, Great Bath, and one more, the seal of swastik. And one more thing that was found here was a fiber of cotton. So mainly the Britishers called that particular the fiber as a sindon, and later on this sinwar this Sindhan converted into the Indian. That's why we are known as the Indian. So the most primitive, the source of fiber found in India in the Mohenjo-daro. In 1953, the next site, that was Kalibangan, was excavated. This site was in Hanuman district of Rajasthan on the bank of river Ghaggar. Here in Kalibangan, actually the name was derived from the black bangles which were found on the excavation of these site. So I have already written in this particular column that what were the important findings in this site on excavation. So students go through this site and find out the important excavation material here. In year 1953, the Lothal was excavated by Ranganath Rao, which was situated on the bank of Gulf of Bombay, that was near to the river Bhogwa. This site is in Gujarat. Uh, Actually, the Lothal is the dockyard city, and there are too many things which we have found in the Lothal after excavation. Just like a joint burial, here we found the sources of measurement we have also found here. Dockyard, as I have already mentioned earlier, also found in this particular site. In year 1931, Chandhudro was excavated by N.G. Majumdar, which was situated on the bank of river Sindh in Pakistan. So uh, the major uh, excavated material was Bengal industry in this particular site. In 1974, the Manwadi was excavated by Ravindranath Bisht, which was in Haryana. Here we would found the seeds of barley in this particular excavation from this site. If we talk about the Indus Valley civilization, so our mind goes on the town and planning of this particular civilization. As I have said in earlier slides that uh, Indus Valley civilization was the first urban civilization of India. So, but it means that the first urbanization starts from the Indus Valley civilization. So here, what would be found that the entire town is divided into the two parts. The first one is somewhat at the higher level, and the second one is the somewhat lower level. As per to the historians, the part which is somewhat at the above or from the heighted from the ground, might be possible that the rulers were ruled from that particular site, but the plain site was from the local people. So, but as we know that all the cities of the Harappa civilization was on the bank of the different rivers. So, uh, from the river water, they would be protected by the bricks, or we can say that the fire burnt bricks. Uh, if we found, or if we talk about the Indus Valley civilization, the drainage system was extremely good. If we go through the Kalibangan, we have found that um, there was a great drainage system, and the most important characteristic of that drainage system was the all the part of the drainage system was covered. So if we find out the different slides, or if we found the different sources, or if we found the various photographs of these drainage system, we would easily know that how much they are in a better planning system, city planning system in Harappa civilization. The greeneries and the great baths are also the part of their better city planning. So thanks a lot to all guys from my side, because this is the basic aim of these slides is to make you enter into the subject. As you enter into the subject, uh, these slides can most accessible for you. So thanks from my side. Here again, Dr. Dishtipal Singh Parihar ends our video. We would definitely come with a new video, which gives you a most important information for the history. So thank from my side, all of you. Thanks a lot.